Ripple's XRP token is the 7th largest cryptocurrency in the world. But recently, experts say that the majority of people will not reach the $1,000 mark. What could be the reason behind it? So, what does XRP have in store for us now? Stay tuned till the end of the video to find out. Welcome XRP Army! Let's grow the XRP Lab community by pressing the like button and subscribe. Ripple is one of the crypto market's oldest and most well-known coins. XRP, a cryptocurrency, has emerged as one of 2021's most potential investments. The price of XRP was around $0.22 at the start of the year. The price of XRP reached an all-time high of $1.8 on April 16th just a few months ago. The cryptocurrency drop on May 19th nearly halved the price. XRP, or Ripple, has risen by as much as 50% lately, more than doubling its value. According to CoinMarketCap.com data, XRP has surpassed Ether as the second largest cryptocurrency on the rise. In June 2012, XRP was released on a distributed ledger, with 100 billion XRP issued before Ripple was founded in September 2012. The inventors of XRP handed a significant portion of it to Ripple after the company was created. According to information on the company's website, Ripple possessed around 60 billion XRP as of July, with the majority of it kept in escrow. Ripple is a real-time gross settlement system, currency exchange, and remittance network developed by Ripple Labs Inc., a technology company based in the United States. Ripple is a distributed open-source protocol that supports tokens representing fiat currency, cryptocurrency, commodities, or other units of value such as frequent flyer miles or mobile minutes. It was launched in 2012 and is based on a distributed open-source protocol. Ripple Labs CEO Brad Garlinghouse and co-founder Chris Larsen were charged by the Securities and Exchange Commission for allegedly selling unregistered securities. The SEC stated that XRP was security rather than a commodity, since it was created and distributed in a centralized manner by Ripple Labs and was not used by financial institutions. Currently, the price of XRP is 63 cents, and things are looking up. The price of XRP has climbed by 21% on June 26th, putting it in the green zone. There had been a significant drop down to 50 cents in the preceding 24 hours, which would have been an ideal buying opportunity for potential investors. Experts predict that it will be a great time for those who have held on to their XRP through the market's ups and downs. In other developments, Iranian police raided an illegal cryptocurrency farm and seized 7,000 computer miners. The state media reported the greatest haul, where energy-guzzling gadgets have aggravated power outages in Iran. Iran prohibited mining cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin for nearly 4 months in late May, as part of measures to limit the number of power outages blamed on rising electricity demand during the country's scorching summer. According to the police commander, the 700 miners were apprehended in an abandoned factory in Tehran's west. If you look at the trend, you'll notice that a lot of areas are prohibiting Bitcoin. Some analysts even believe that Bitcoin's demise is imminent. This could also be linked to Michael Burry's decision to deactivate his Twitter account following his warning about the mother of all crashes. We are on the verge of a major economic downturn. According to certain sources, a major confrontation could occur in October, as evidenced by a tweet from George, which states, "The October effect refers to the psychological anticipation that financial declines and stock market crashes are more likely to occur during this month than any other month." The bank panic of 1907, the stock market crash of 1929, and Black Monday 1987 all happened during October. Anyone asking if XRP is actually going to the moon should know that it is an interplanetary currency on the verge of revolutionizing the globe. According to an article, water lines on the banks of Lake Oroville in the Butte County have dwindled so quickly that the reservoir's hydroelectric generating plant may have to shut down for the first time ever, putting a strain on an already overburdened electrical infrastructure during the warmest portion of the summer. According to CNN, the Edward Hyatt power plant has been a vital source of electricity for the area since 1967 and can typically power 800,000 homes by pumping water from the lake through underground infrastructure. Water levels, on the other hand, are currently approaching 700 feet. Compounded by a severe drought and temperatures in the triple digits, if they continue to fall to 640 feet, the lake's lowest point ever recorded in 1977, the facility will run out of water in 2 or 3 months. According to FX3.com, the price of XRP is attempting to rise. The price of XRP plummeted over 40%, breaking through the swing low of $0.703 set on May 23rd. This big sell-off reached a low of $0.509 on June 22nd and has since pushed Ripple up by 17%. This upward trend is expected to continue until $0.784, roughly a 30% increase from the present $0.503 level. The immediate resistance level of $0.643 will be the first substantial roadblock in the way of a sustained surge. If this level is breached, the price of XRP will rise to its intended target of $0.784. From the above data, it's almost certain that Ripple's XRP token is going to experience new highs like never before, and people might want to consider investing in this amazing cryptocurrency. The two major factors affecting XRP prices are, the first one being its lawsuit with the US SEC, who have sued the company, and the case has been going on for a while now. Recent events from the courthouse depict that the judgments passed are in favor of Ripple, and winning the lawsuit could be the breakthrough the company's been looking for. Also, rumors are stating that once the company wins the lawsuit, it might go public, which means the XRP token price will skyrocket like never before. The second factor affecting the Ripple's XRP token is Elon Musk. All of you must be aware of the recent cryptocurrency market crash set off by Elon Musk. Elon Musk, in an interview, stated that his company Tesla will not be accepting bitcoins as a mode of payment due to its high energy consumption. According to the Genius billionaire, Bitcoin's energy consumption is equal to that of the Netherlands or France, and that it was really harmful to the environment. Therefore, Elon Musk stated that he was on the lookout for an energy-efficient replacement of Bitcoin, which consumes less than 1% energy of Bitcoin. XRP is known to be really cheap and much faster than Bitcoin, and it also has a loyal community to back it up. Therefore, if they play their cards right, it might overtake Bitcoin to be the greatest cryptocurrency in the world. Imagine an altcoin overtaking the world's first cryptocurrency. That would be an amazing achievement for the Ripple's XRP token. Let's hope that XRP can overcome its obstacles and reach the moon. In the last year, Wallet Investors Analyst XRP price prediction was that XRP price would cross $0.6 by the end of the year 2021. However, it's already crossed the $1 mark and continues further. The recent partnerships and institutional support will positively affect Ripple along with its price perspective. Coming back to the topic, as per the Ripple price prediction for the long term, the next 5 years, XRP has been chosen as a bright game for optimism, registering clear gains with prices within the $4 to $8 vicinity. However, the most workable idea is to expect a midpoint of these price levels. Mass adoption could trigger the future of XRP as an affordable and convenient digital asset. The price may surface as a minimum average of $6 in the long term around the next 5 years. So what do you guys think? Will XRP hit the 4-digit mark? And if it does, would you guys invest in it? Kindly note that the prices of cryptocurrencies frequently change, so by the time you watch this video, it might have changed to a whole new value. The information provided in this video does not constitute investment advice, financial advice, trading advice, or any other sort of advice, and you should not treat any of the content as such. The content in this video is for educational purposes only, and hence should not be considered financial advice. Do conduct your due diligence and consult your financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Let us know in the comment section if you are an XRP holder. If you want to continue to know about XRP, we've got 2 videos waiting for you on the end screen to check out. Make sure to subscribe and give us a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video, my friend.